Time to get some common sense with Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. Craig, you have been in the financial industry for years, and something I appreciate about you is your optimism. What do you have for us today?
Well, 2022 certainly has been marked by stubborn and persistent inflation, a war in Ukraine, and a roller coaster of bad news for both stock and bond markets. When you add it all up, certainly, I think it can lead to levels of anxiety we haven't seen or felt for quite some time. However, there's several nuggets of positive news that will incrementally move the needle in 2023.
What are your four silver linings? Because in good times and in bad with the stock market, people are still retiring. So what's the good news for them?
Social Security. If you currently collect Social Security or you're going to be a future claimant, you're about to get some breathing room, as the 2023 COLA will be a whopping 8.7%. That's the largest cost of increase since 1981. And if inflation continues to dissipate, as it is slowly indicating that it will, that's going to be a welcome relief to many. Number 2 on my list would be Medicare premiums. Yeah, generally speaking, most people have their Medicare Part B premium deducted from their Social Security check. And sometimes the annual COLA gets evaporated or reduced because of that elevated cost of Medicare, but that will not be happening this year, as everyone's Medicare Part B premium is actually going to decline due to a change in a specific drug coverage for Alzheimer's. So COLA up big, Medicare Part B premiums down.
What else is on your list? What are some ways people can save for retirement? Because there's always a good way to save.
Number 3 on my list of silver linings would be this. The retirement contribution has been raised, and raised significantly, for those who are looking to stash money away as they work towards or sprint towards retirement. In your company-sponsored retirement plan, you can now put in $22,500 instead of $20,500 for 2023, and IRAs have grown too. Instead of $6,000, people can put away $6,500. For those 50 and up, there's a catch-up provision you can stick on top. But maybe most importantly, most significantly of the silver linings for 2023 is we have moved from TINA to TIARA. TINA was an acronym we've been entering or working under since the Great Recession. It stood for There Is No Alternative, meaning safe money, CDs, bonds, paid such paltry interest that people were forced to maybe consider overweighting more of their money to stocks. But gone is TINA, or said another way, TINA's been ordained with a crown. That crown being in the form of a tiara. And tiara stands for there is a real alternative. Courtesy of the inflation, courtesy of the rising interest rates, investors now, once stock prices recover, and they always have in the past and they surely will here, investors are going to have the opportunity to take a less bumpy, less volatile ride for years forward, because investors are going to be able to go and buy bonds, bond funds, bond ladders with solid, high interest rates that people haven't seen for the better part of some 15 years. And that's a good place for so many to take a sigh of relief that there are a number of silver linings coming. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. If you'd like to learn more, you can. Check out our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.